Good afternoon. My name is David Milligan, and I'm the Partnerships and Engagement Manager for Kare Knowledgeware, the world's most advanced self-service automation platform. It is a pleasure being here today. Did you know, on average, £200 million is lost each year by employees unable to access the information they require? In addition, customers increasingly expect a more personalized experience. Stop guessing your customer experience and unlock it today. What if I told you there was an organization that could help you increase your revenue, decrease employee inefficiencies without overhauling your existing systems and processes? Imagine being able to ask a question on anything, anywhere, at any time, and get the exact piece of information you require by utilizing the collective consciousness of your business. Kare Knowledgeware. We make the undiscoverable discoverable. But how do we do this? We do this through our 9 patents, our world-leading natural language processing and understanding, and through the utilization of semantic search, cognitive artificial intelligence, and knowledge graph technology. Here's just a snapshot of some of the fantastic clients and consultancies we are working with to date, and we're very excited about adding more in 2020. Kare Knowledgeware. We help you know what you don't know. My name is David Milligan, and together with my colleagues Michele, Chris, and Bernard, come and say hi at booth 131 and try out the AMLD bot today.
Show me the data. So as a data scientist, one of the first questions I always have is what kind of data would I be working with if I come work for you? So at Contovista, we work with bank transactions, customer data, in-app user behavior tracking, so very interesting data. Who are we? We're a Swiss fintech company, 30 people, very international and growing. We have more than 25 plus banks as customers. Our strong suit is data science and UX. And our system has seen more than 2 billion bank transactions already. We have banking apps which we sell to banks with state-of-the-art UX, much better than N26 or Revolut. And we have an AI-powered insights engine detecting client events and client characteristics. What do we do as data scientists? We do a lot of exploratory data analysis because the territory that we're in is very undiscovered. We build algorithms and train machine learning models. XGBoost for our up and cross-selling, deep learning for our NLP and image classification, and we play a lot of table tennis. Our tech stack is pretty straightforward: PyData, TensorFlow, Docker, Linux command line, and some Java in the back end. So why are we here? We're looking for data scientists. We need and want to grow our analytics and AI team. Data scientists, data engineers, but also software engineering and BI people. What can we offer you? We have a very great team. We have a cool office. We have cool team events. We have good provision. But the most important thing is we have a great culture. We work hard, but have a lot of fun doing it. And we learn new things every day and grow while doing that. That's really important to us. So if that rings a bell to you, come hit us up, booth 132, not 133. Or hit us up on LinkedIn and Twitter.
So hi, my name is Pierre, and I'm the CTO and co-founder of Snipfeed. And our goal is to reinvent media for Gen Z. So we started from a very simple observation. There has been like a major switch from traditional media to content creators. We have on the one hand creators that want to distribute, monetize their content, and engage with their audience. And the other hand, Gen Z is spending more than 6 hours on their mobile, finding very hard to find content. So that's why we built Snipfeed. So basically, we built like this super app where you have all the content that you can consume. You can, we use like machine learning algorithm and collaborative filtering to do the recommendation. And like it's very easy for a content creator to put all his content on it. He can monetize it through subscription, virtual gifts, and tipping. So at this stage, we already launched MVP in the US. We first started on the messaging apps, and we had more than 1.5 million users on messaging apps such as Kik, Telegram, Facebook Messenger. We were the first bot on news last year on messaging. We have a great team. We all met at UC Berkeley, the 3 co-founders. We have amazing advisors also, like the founder of Zynga and MySpace. We also did a pre-seed already with Skydeck Berkeley, so we were accelerated there, Sequoia Scoots, and the founder of MySpace and Zynga. So if you're interested in building the future of content, you can come talk to us. We are starting our seed round next week, and we are also searching for talents such as software engineers and data scientists. Okay, thank you.
So hi everyone, my name is Ketevani and I'm the founder of Logmind. It's my great pleasure to be here to present you today at Logmind. At Logmind, we develop AIOps platform to help IT teams from large organizations to detect IT problems from log files. So you probably don't know what are logs, right? So I'll try to explain to you. So when you interact with your favorite application or a website, the component behind generates billions of log messages. So these messages are very useful for developers and IT teams to troubleshoot and fix their application problems. But can you imagine what it takes to search for something in this big pile of information every single day? So at Logmind, we are developing a log data analytics platform that can take this massive amount of unstructured logs generated from different components of the applications, and using the power of advanced machine learning methods and the power of crowdsourcing publicly available information from hundreds and thousands of other companies, our software can learn the behavior of the data and provide fully automatic insights and recommendations to IT teams about fixing their problems. So existing log analytics solutions are mostly using reactive and manual approach. So these tools are really great to search for data, visualize the data, define all kinds of manual alerts. But the unknown unknowns are a big issue, as oftentimes we don't know what to search for and where to look for, right? And that's the biggest problem that Logmind is solving. And so we're trying to change this process from manual to more proactive. So nowadays we are a quite small team, mostly software engineers and data scientists, and we're actively looking for a talent, data scientist. And if you're interested and if you're looking for new opportunities, don't hesitate to come to me and talk with me. Thank you so much.
All right, so good afternoon. I'm Pasquale from Predictive Layer, and I'm here to give you an introduction to how we leverage AI and machine learning at Predictive Layer to solve business problems in the industrial context. Predictive Layer is a startup located in Roll. We are about 25 people, and we work to deliver business value based on 3 pillars. The systematic and continuous application of statistics, machine learning, and AI, a very efficient and well-designed IT infrastructure, and very deep understanding of the business problems to which we have to deal with. We built a platform that allows us to cover all the operational aspects needed to turn data into value, so we can connect to our clients' data and cross-correlate that with big data sets that we scrape from the internet. And we use these to feed our AI systems, which eventually power our forecast applications that can deal with dynamic pricing, with energy grids predictions, with forecasting occupancies, and so on and so forth. So the core of our technology is an AutoML system, which allows us to have pretty fast and modeling and scaling. So we have engines that can create very automatically a lot of features for time series modeling, for modeling of different kinds of data. And then we have very powerful algorithms to select these features, to select different kinds of models, and to combine them. So if you're interested in knowing more, please come to our stand. So we're interested both in getting leads for new business opportunities, and we're always interested in smart people to work with us. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Hello, so I'm Nicholas, SwissBorg CTO. I'm here today to tell you that finance is really not fair right now. Rich people have been as rich as it's been for a long time, and the equality is growing. And at SwissBorg, we want to change that. We want to introduce wealth management for everybody and making it accessible so that everyone can have access to proper investment. For that, we kind of leverage two popular technologies. Right now, we're using the blockchain to use crypto assets and AI to be able to recommend proper content to people. So, as I said, we use AI for one thing. The first is finance. How are we able to access the crypto market that is very fragmented and find the best route? So, when you're coming at SwissBorg, you'll be able to buy from the Swiss franc to any kind of asset. Here is our token, and we'll be able to allow you to use the best route and have the best price execution. The other use that we have for AI is forecasting. As I say, AI is also used for helping our users to make the right decision. So we have two things. The first one is the robo-advisor that will be able to give to the user unbiased recommendation, so that there is no feeling involved in it, and it's really systematic and equal for everyone. On the other hand, we also have a cyborg predictor that will be able to help understand what is the current state of the market and how is this going to evolve, so that we can distill to our user a proper understanding of the crypto market. And we are based in Lausanne, growing very fast and always looking for talents.
So, hello everyone. ProcSim is based at the EPFL Innovation Park since 2007. We are a team of 10 engineers, and we conducted more than 300 projects across Switzerland, Europe, and also USA. So what we do, ProcSim supports you in decision making to help you reach your performance goals. More precisely, we are specialized in flow management and process improvement. We provide solutions to your dynamic systems using a different set of tools that I'm going to show you. Our objective is to help you minimize risk investment decision, reduce operating costs, accelerate return on investment, or even increase process efficiency. We are working with 3 business segments: the healthcare with pharma, biotechs, and hospitals; the industry, such as watchmaking, manufacturing, and also transports. As I told you, we are using different tools to make decisions. Our main tool is the 3D modeling and dynamic simulation, but we also use digital VSM, ergonomics, and lean methodology. 2 years ago, we started integrating AI in our company, following the customer's needs, and the success of its application on different projects in our field of expertise lead us to develop new projects in this area. If you want to discuss more about this project or about ProcSim in general, you can visit us at our booth.
Hi everyone. Last but not least, I'm Dom Guinard from EVRYTHNG. These are a number of everything connected products. What everything does is providing unique digital identities for these products. So turning every single product into a unique web digital identity. Why do we do that? Well, these brands that were on the previous slides mostly don't know what's happening to their products. They don't know where their products are going through the supply chain, not at the single level, and they don't know what consumers are doing with their products. So we're basically giving them visibility and helping them solving kind of big problems, such as the problem of counterfeit, which has a weight of $1.2 trillion per year, but also things like losing their market share to digital platforms. We help them building direct-to-consumer interaction so that the consumer can interact directly with the product. We also help them tracking their products throughout the supply chain, throughout the manufacturing, using that digital identity. That's done using the EVRYTHNG Product Cloud that supports any kind of tagging technology. We work with RFID, we work with QR codes, we work with NFC, LP1, even printed Bluetooth tags, and we connect that to all kinds of applications. Good example of one of the last product launch, every single item of Ralph Lauren today gets a unique digital identity powered by EVRYTHNG, and this is used throughout the supply chain to track the item, better understand the flow of goods. We're now basically turning out our rule-based system into a machine learning-based system to reduce, for instance, false positive on these alerts that the brands are getting. It's called the Predictor. We're building it now, and we did help to build it. So please meet us at the booth 142, not 44. And we're looking forward to talking to you.